Hi, my name is Josie, and I play basketball. To be a better basketball player, I lift weights to get stronger. It's called resistance training. But how does it work?
The goal of this video is to learn about what happens to muscles during resistance training. Why and how are muscles made to grow through lifting weights? We will also discover the mechanisms behind protein supplements and how they aid muscle growth. Resistance training, also known as strength or weight training, is where muscles are forced to contract while resisting external force. The goal of this kind of training is to improve muscle tone, muscle strength, or muscle endurance. The body gets energy for resistance training through anaerobic metabolism. The form of energy used is ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Understanding the molecular components and processes needed for resistance training helps athletes to maximize their training and recovery routines. During weight training, muscles fatigue as they contract against external resistance. This fatigue affects how well the actin-myosin crossbridge is able to work. When this mechanism is impaired, the force produced by the muscle decreases. Contractions working against resistance also cause tears in the muscle cell membrane. This allows more calcium to enter the muscle cell, ultimately triggering a repair process. It is the recovery period after resistance training in which muscles improve strength, size, or endurance. Recovery can take hours or days. Delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS, is the name given to the pain felt in muscles hours or a day after resistance training. Pain is felt because of the small tears in the muscle fibers, which can cause inflammation and increased sensitivity to pain. Now we will talk about growth. Muscle fibers can either increase in size, hypertrophy, or they can increase in number, hyperplasia. Hypertrophy is more likely to occur. Within the muscle fiber, hypertrophy can occur in two places, the sarcomere or the sarcoplasm. Sarcomere hypertrophy is muscle growth that can be thought of as functional, helping the muscle to function more efficiently. This is due to the increase in the number and size of sarcomeres within the myofibrils of the muscle. As we know, the sarcomeres contain myosin and actin crossbridges that are responsible for contracting the fiber and producing force. Sarcomere hypertrophy results in an increase in force production. Sarcoplasmic hypertrophy is an increase in the area of the sarcoplasm, a fluid-filled space that contains elements essential for contraction.
There is some debate surrounding sarcoplasmic hypertrophy. As far as I understand, as the sarcomeres and myofibrils grow, the sarcoplasm must grow too, in order to provide adequate glycogen stores, among other nutrients.
So, what are protein supplements and how do they help muscles grow? Protein supplements, often taken by athletes or bodybuilders, provide extra building blocks for muscles needing repair. The goal of protein is to provide amino acids. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAA, are particularly useful for encouraging muscle growth and preventing muscle reduction through weight loss. Leucine is one branched-chain amino acid that is commonly used by bodybuilders. It is an essential amino acid that is capable of triggering muscle protein synthesis. Therefore, by taking supplements containing leucine after resistance training, a greater effect of muscle hypertrophy can be attained. Remember, it is always important to maintain a balanced diet while exercising to supplement muscle growth.
Hi, I lift weights to get stronger. Straight up.
Record for some reason.
No. 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 Resistance training. As far as I understand, is that what you see on my head? As the sarcomeres and myofibrils grow, they're really